coat. Especially darker polish colors can stain your natural nail, so this step is very important. Apply a black polish for a dark night sky effect. Take a little piece of cosmetic sponge and some tweezers. Dip the sponge in the dark blue polish and create an oval shape down the diagonal of your nail. Start adding stars by dipping the sponge into the fine milled glitter polish and apply it on top of the blue one. On top, go for a lighter blue polish. Apply it down the center of the oval shape. You want the darker blue still peeking out on the sides for a gradient effect. Milky Way is like a band of light made of stars. It contains billions of stars that cannot be distinguished with a naked eye, and that's why the center is of very light white to bright yellow color. First, apply a white thin band of stars and then go in with a yellow color, creating a bright stripe down the center of our Milky Way. The Milky Way is a galaxy that contains our solar system. It appears as a milky glowing band arching across the night sky. Apply some fine milled glitter top coat and our first design is finished. I think we started out great, didn't we? The next is this super cute full moon in the night sky design. Start off with a dark blue color and apply a transparent glitter polish on top for some sparkle. Moon is the only natural satellite of the Earth. To create a moon, you can use a large dotting tool or an eraser on the back of a pencil like me. Dip the eraser in white polish and just dot it on your nail. See how you can create a perfect circle with the pencil. To get a lighter gray color, mix white polish with a dot of black one, like so. Randomly dab some of this color on the moon with a toothpick. If you look at the moon closely, you would notice that it is not of solid white color, but it has hints of lighter and darker gray because of the craters on its surface. Next, we want to add some bright stars. I'm drawing two larger ones with a striper dipped into white polish. Just make a simple cross shape like so. I think this design would look great as an accent nail on your ring finger when you're wearing dark blue or even black polish on your nails. The stars that are further away appear as small dots of sparkle, so make several white dots all over with a toothpick. Finish the design with a fast-drying top coat. For the third design, I'm creating a nebula. Nebula is an interstellar cloud of dust, hydrogen and other gases from which sun, planets and stars were formed. Begin by applying a coat of black polish. With a sponge, tap on dark blue color patches randomly throughout your nail. Take a lighter blue polish and apply it over some dark blue areas. You don't want to cover the dark blue completely. Nebulas appear like colored clouds, therefore take a violet polish and make some patches with it. You can also add a bit of pink. What really brings the design together is the glittery top coat. Mine has some fine and some bigger glitter. I'm applying a coat of that. If you don't get enough larger glitters on, you can add them manually. I'll show you how to catch the bigger stars later on. For now, let's finish our nebula nails with a fast-drying top coat. This one was so easy to create and I love how it turned out. You can also create galaxy nail art designs using water marbling technique. I'm first applying a dark blue polish as a base. This will assure that no matter what color I'll use for water marbling, the color on my nails will come out much darker. Protect the finger around your nail with the tape. This way you'll have less cleaning afterwards. If you're new to water marbling, I have a video on my channel which explains this technique step by step with all the tips and tricks, so make sure to check it out. Pour some water in the cup and pick any colors of polish that remind you of galaxy. I went for some white, orange and blue since I want to create a galactic center which is very bright. Drop the polishes in the water like so and make several swirls. You don't really need a precise pattern, there's a lot of chaos when it comes to sky and stars. Choose a spot you like the most and dip in your finger. Leave the finger in for a few seconds and in the meantime, clean the polish from the surface. Carefully pull the finger out of the water. Remove the tape and clean any polish from your finger with a Q-tip soaked in acetone. Apply a glitter polish on top and add some larger glitters one by one to make the design look bolder. As you can see, the colors appear much darker. This is because of the darker color which I used for the base. Lastly, protect your nail with a fast-drying top coat. Water marble nail art is always so much fun to create, don't you think? The last galaxy-inspired design is this lovely gradient galactic sky. Again, apply a coat of black polish. Note that you will need at least 2 tones of blue and a white color to create the gradient. Dip the sponge in the darker blue first and apply it on the 3/4 of the nail like this. Then apply the lighter blue on the bottom half of the nail. Lastly, go in with white and tap the color just on the tip of the nail. Now we need to decorate this galactic sky with some stars. I'm using polish that contains small and large pieces of glitter. I'm applying a coat of this. As you can see, I got only one bigger glitter, but I want more stars, so here's how you can catch them. Just use a toothpick and pick one by one from the polish brush, and then you can place it exactly where you want it. I want a lot of sparkles, you can tell. Once you're happy, secure the design with a fast-drying top coat. For thousands of years, human has been looking out into space into millions of sparkly stars in the night sky, trying to understand how we are connected, how it all began, and where is the future taking us. I really hope you like this galaxy nail art tutorial. I think galaxy nails are very cool and so much fun. They're also quite easy and